I did it. Ended up getting a bunch more stuff from Lastfit, and now I'm gonna unbox it. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Always remember, safety first. And that's why I'm not using one of those dangerous knives to open up these boxes. You need something that has a nice safety guard on here. All right, let's get these opened up. This was the bed mat I opened up first. I mean, just first impressions looking at this, it's really nice. Like you could feel the material is really thick, really solid. That's fantastic. Oh, floor mats, here we go. Oh, all right. These, I'm excited to test out and see how they hold on to the dirt or if they don't. What I'm hoping at is I could just vacuum them, take a damp rag and just wipe them off and have them look like this. These Amazon floor mats, they just never are clean. The rest of the truck, I can wipe out clean and it looks really nice. This is the best comparison I could show right now of all of these floor mats. So these floor mats are just cheap off of Amazon, got them Prime Day kind of special. And they've worked. You know, they've kept my rug dry when I was doing all of the different off-roading and things like that. So I don't want to put any hate on them because they did the job that they were supposed to do. And I just wanted something that looked nicer. And with the great results I had with the Lastfit LED lights, I was just like, I'm going to give it a shot. I got a set of these. I wanted to show you just how close they are to the black of the interiors. The install on these are very simple. Just slide it underneath and align these tabs. Place the caps over. Those caps are important for the wet weather. And that's it, they're installed. That looks really nice. And you can see it's just matching the interior plastics a lot better. Here's the before on the passenger side. And here's the after on the passenger side. Here's the before on the back of the truck. Again, not terrible. Going just as simple as the front. Sliding down into place. Obviously it's bubbling up a little bit. We give it a little bit of time in the heat out here. Some good California sun. Get these molded right down into place. But yeah, they look nice. So the whole reason I wanted to get one of these truck bed liners is we went camping and you know the plastic bins that I had really just slid in and out and moved around. So here's one of my camping bins and I just wanted to show you how easy it moves. So it's pretty heavy. I got a lot of stuff in there, but you're able to see it just slid right around. It slides around and it's a very strong material. It feels strong, this bed liner material, but it's still very slick and it's still very hard. And I'm worried about it scratching my skis. And you're able to see that this metal edge just digs right into it. And I don't want to damage the skis. I don't want these skis to completely scratch up the bed while the truck is still pretty new. So I'm really excited about this because it's just that nice, I know it's not rubber, but it's that nice rubber material. Hold everything in place. We have to pop these two out, and there's already pre-drilled holes in the cover. So all right. Just fold it in half, a little bit of grass on it. Let's see what it does. Oh, wow. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I had it in the sun for like 5 minutes, so it never had a chance to fully heat up. That's really nice. All right, so far really happy with that. That's wonderful. All right, we'll give it a little bit of Southern California sun coming up and see how it smooths out. Well, I recently got the tailgate mat also from Lastfit. I just put it outside on a flat table for about a day, and it just went completely flat for me. So that is definitely step number one. And you might be going, well, why am I installing the tailgate mat? I already have the bed coating here. And you're right, it's probably fine without this, but I have a 3-year-old and he likes to run and play, and I want him to be able to sit up on here. And this is just like a little rough, but it's also a little slick. So I really like that this has this rubberized material, so that when I'm having him sit on here and I have to change his boots and whatnot, using a tailgate is more than just a tailgate. So first things first, we got to pull up all of these screws. I have my Torx bit here, so let's pop them up. All right, we're just going to line it up. And everything really seems to line up nicely. As you can see, I'm kind of staggering how I'm putting these in to make sure everything lines up. And that's it. Full install. It's been a couple of weeks since I've had these Lasfit floor mats installed, and they work great. I mean, they're floor mats. There's only so much you can do with them. They don't seem to be holding on to the dirt like my last floor mats did, so I am going to call that a win. The backseat floor mats still look great. My son's dropped some stuff on there. Nobody's sat back here, but I think they look really good. The cargo liner and tailgate cover have been fantastic. They just work. My cargo hasn't been sliding around. I've had this trailer hitch here, and it just stays in one place. It's nice. I'm not worried about it. You're already on Lastfit's website getting the floor mats. You're already on Lastfit's website getting the bed mat. Check out this box because it's really been great. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I'm really happy with it. It's collapsible. It turns into nothing so quickly, and you can take it, put it on the side. I've just been kind of letting it open, and it's been nice running to Costco, getting groceries, getting things like that. Nothing is falling to the back of my pickup. I don't have to chase any bottles rolling around over here. So bed mat, fantastic. Floor mats, they look really good. They look really premium, and yeah, get yours at lastfit.com. I have the link in the description.